He literally flipped $150 to 4,400 in just one trade. That's crazy, but it's possible if you got the balls to scale on a good run. Don't be scared. I mean, this thing isn't profit, it's run in your favor. The odds are in your favor, so you have to load it up. You have to, if you want to make good money in the markets. Yo, what's up, team? I hope you're all having a good time. Check this out, guys. It's from 1st May until today. Made around 3 million. Withdrawal 2.6 million. Yeah. So, yeah. It's a real account. No flexing. No bullshit. But, anyways. Balance is at around 6 million. Got some running on NASDAQ and gold. Still waiting for this thing to move so I can load it up. NASDAQ already that shit up, just waiting for it to continue dropping down. So what happened today? I did it again, guys. I did it again. I've loaded that shit up, guys. Check this out. Made 230 grand, nearly 230 grand on just one position on gold. And I've loaded that shit up heavenly. Like, made 1.5 million just today on gold. Just today on gold, guys. Did it again. So yeah, trades are running. Got some on NAS, got some on gold. Now let's see what's going on in the pool. Let me talk to you guys how I did that. Yo, what's up, team? I hope you're all good. I had a great day today. I did it again. You remember the last video 2 weeks ago, I think it was, yeah, 2 weeks ago, where I banked 1.7 million on one gold trade. Wow, today I did it again, but today it was not 1.7, it was 1.5 million. But I have to say, I took yesterday on Monday, I took, I think, 5 trades on gold that I've lost, and I lost around 10% on my capital. Yeah, but anyways, this you have to deal with it as a trader. If you know how to cut your losses, if you know how to let your winners run, if you're extremely patient with your winners and you load it up, and you can make like 30%, 50%, 100%, or even 400% on one trade. Or one of my students today, wow, this was crazy, man. He posted a screenshot from his NASDAQ trade. He took NASDAQ with $150 account on one trade, yeah? Listen, guys. He took one trade on NASDAQ, yeah? One trend move, one trade. He took a $150 account to 4,400. What the fuck? I mean, that's insane, guys. That's crazy, man. This guy really load that shit up, like, big time, you know? So yeah, how to do this money in trading, guys? Very simple concept. Be very strict with cutting your losses quick. Always know where your stop loss is. And if it moves in your favor, and you can see the structure on the smaller time frame, and it's moving in your favor, then you can stack your position size. If you got a good trade running, you should scale in on that trade. I mean, many traders have the problem that they scale in on a losing trade. Like, they hope that it will come back, but if it doesn't come back, it will wipe out their accounts. So you really got to be careful with cutting your losses, guys. I mean, of course, if you show your brokers your stop losses, many times you get stop hunted with spreads or whatever. They hunt your stops because this is how they make business. Like this, if you show them where they can stop you out, they will try to bring price to that price to stop you out, because this is where they make money. So yeah, with stop losses, so this is yeah, it's not easy, guys. So what I like to do, I don't like to use hard stops. A lot of times, like most of the time, I got the stop in mind. So I'm watching the chart. When I sit in front of my screen, I'm watching the chart. If I trade 5-minute chart, most of the time I trade without a stop loss. So I put I close my position manually. And yeah, I'm getting in manually and I'm getting out manually most of the time. So yeah, and this is what I can only advise to you as well. Like if you're trading and you trade with a stop loss and you got the feeling that it turns around where you put your stop losses, then most of the time a lot of traders, they have their stop at the same position. So the brokers will just hunt these stops before the market going back in the regular direction. So I would always give it some more space so you can scale some more. Where other people get stopped out, you should put some more onto your position if you're trading with the trend. Okay, if you're trading with the trend, you should always give the market enough air to breathe, so you can scale your position size when other people get stopped out. Because especially in the forex market, you have a lot of stop hunt moves. Forex market is going up and down. It's very, very a volatile market that goes up and down. Gold, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and all these kinds of stuff like stocks, they are very strong trending markets. Like if you got a good position on one of these markets, like I like to trade gold, this is my baby, and yeah, if you're good with one of these markets, they are strong trending markets. So if you got a good position and you scale it up, and you can make a fucking huge run, in forex it is not that easy, because there is a lot of fucking around, because of course the bank's trying to hold these pairs in balance, but yeah, you can make great money in forex as well if you know how to do it. And you can scale up your position size in forex as well if you know how to scale up. I like to scale in on breakouts or on pullbacks, okay? Or sometimes even I just scale up when I got some more air to my stop loss and I'm not fully scaled in and I still got some space. Then I just scale up when I see the market is printing the color of my candle. Like when I'm buying and it prints green candles or blue candles, then I scale that shit up, But yeah, you can use pullbacks, break and retests, or simple breakouts to scale in as well, okay? And always got an eye on your risk so that you can get out as soon as the structure get clearly broken, okay? So yeah, if you come over that hurdle, like from being an impatient trader who loves to hold bad trades because you believe that they will come back, and you switch your mind and hold on to the winning trades and scale into the winning trades instead of holding on to the losing trades and cut the losses quick, like even then with the accuracy of 30% or 40% or whatever, you can make shitload of money if you know how to scale in on the good ones, I mean, when I lose 2% on a bad trade and I take 5 losses in a row, I lose 10%, but I make one good trade and I make 30%, 50% on one good trade. Or one of my students, like I told you before, he literally flipped $150 to $4,400 in just one trade. That's crazy, but it's possible if you got the balls to scale on a good run. Don't be scared. I mean, this thing isn't profit, it's run in your favor. The odds are in your favor, so you have to load it up. You have to, if you want to make good money in the markets. You need to understand that being right in the forex market or in the trading market is being right all the time is not how you make money, okay? keep your losses small and scale in on the good runs. This is how you make money, and this is how I make money. This is how I make my most money. I mean, Peter, I can show you some insights from Peter's analysis channel. I mean, some of you guys who follow me for a longer time, they know that Peter is one of my students who luckily won a giveaway. So he didn't have the money. He's from South Africa, and he luckily won a giveaway, and he just flipped his $100 into, I don't know, maybe right now it is around $40,000 or something like that. I mean, his daily business is flipping small accounts. He's flipping $100 accounts, $400 account in 1 or 2 days or 3 days. He doubled them and cash out to bring some food on the table for his family, man. And you better get your mind right when it comes to trading. I know, from the psychology perspective, trading is against human nature. Because if you got a bad trade, you want to hold on to it and you hope that it will come back, but it's not like that. It's not like that. The money can go, the market can go wrong longer than you can pay for that, you know? So you gotta cut off that bullshit trade and focus on the good ones where you're right. And even if you only have 30% accuracy, that's enough. Like, if you make 5 times, 10 times more on a good trade, that's all right. You can make money with 30% accuracy. That's okay. But yeah, get your mind right. Become a good trader. Like, focus on what really matters, okay? And that's money management. It is. And if you're not part of the team yet, you should really think about joining, guys. And this is the real deal. You can connect to all the traders from our team. They sharing ideas in the group chat. Everybody can talk to each other. Check the links in the description. And make sure that you become part of our family. And become a good trader. Learn the skill set of a good trader. Yeah. Amen, guys. Wish you a great day. Peace out. Enjoy your time.
Everybody in the room, yeah.